Transform your daily shower from mundane to magnificent with this easy Costco shower head installation guide. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need an adjustable wrench, some Teflon tape €, this is crucial for preventing leaks, €, a clean rag, and perhaps a bucket or old towel if you're concerned about any residual water. Safety first, before you begin, locate and turn off the main water supply to your bathroom or the specific shower you'll be working on. It's also a good idea to open the existing shower head to drain any remaining water, so have that bucket or towel ready. Now, let's remove the old using your adjustable wrench. Gently unscrew the old shower head from the shower arm, turn it counterclockwise, don't force it. If it's tight, a little gentle pressure should do the trick. Once it's loose, unscrew it the rest of the way by hand. Take your rag and thoroughly clean the threads on the shower arm. This ensures a good seal for your new shower head. Make sure to remove all traces of old Teflon tape or any gunk. Next, it's time for Teflon tape. Starting at the end of the threads, wrap the Teflon tape around the shower arm in a clockwise direction, overlapping each layer slightly. You want about 3 to 4 wraps for a secure, leak-free connection. Now, let's install your new shower head. Take your brand new shower head from Costco and screw it onto the shower arm. Hand tighten it. Initially you want to avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the threads. Once hand tight, use your adjustable wrench to give it just a quarter to half a turn. Ensure it's snug and secure. Remember, you're sealing, not crushing. With the new shower head in place, slowly turn the water supply back on, then turn on the shower and check for any leaks at the connection point. If you see any drips, try tightening the shower head just a tiny bit more with the wrench, but usually, the Teflon tape takes care of it. And there you have it, €, a simple, effective upgrade to your bathroom experience, all thanks to your new Costco shower head. Enjoy your revitalized shower.